My stovetop burners have not been working for a week, except for one of them. Let's see if we can Google and figure out how to fix it, because I thought it was just fixing the igniter thing and cleaning that off, but that didn't work. So there's got to be another secret.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick fix on getting your gas stovetop working. If you go to turn it on and you notice it's clicking and you can smell gas,
I hate smelling that gas. It makes me so nauseous.
but it just doesn't want to ignite.
Yes, please tell me the answer.
There's a quick little fix that my father always showed me growing up.
Lucky. And thanks for sharing it with us. It makes us lucky.
Okay, on the top of most all gas ranges, you have this little disc here. You can just pull this off. And if you look down into the hole, you see that little copper part right down in here. That's what's releasing the gas. And then the gas goes in here and gets trapped because this lid is on there. And then the gas seeps out through these little vents. On the side here, this white little part is the igniter. Once that hits the gas, in theory, everything ignites. Okay, so the way the gas reaches the igniter is through this very tiny little hole. I'll put an arrow there.
No way! I didn't know about that little hole. I didn't know about that little hole. That's the secret. Why did we not learn this in high school? That's what I want to know.
That little hole leaks the gas out and brings it right to the igniter, where the igniter gives it spark, and then you have flame. Little food particles can get down in there, clog up that hole, and prevent the gas from getting to the igniter. So what I do every time that happens is get my girlfriend's earring, which is about the right diameter, or you can use a needle if you have that. Go on the other side where you have access to the hole, take your little needle or your earring, shove it through, clear that hole. 9 times out of 10 that resolves the issue.
All right, let's see. Now, I didn't see him actually stick it in the hole, so I don't know if it's legit. Am I gonna find the hole? Am I gonna be able to stick it in? We gotta see. All right, let's see if this works. No, these burners have not been. Oh my god, that looks so dirty. Yeah, I just cleaned the knobs. Let's see if it looks better close up. A little better. It's crazy how dirty they were. Ooh, see, still. Orange oil is my secret weapon. Orange oil is the best. Satisfying. Get the gunk off. Get it all out of there. How does it get in there? How did it get in there? Before. Ugh. After. Yeah. It's never done. And now to put this fix the burner easily to the test. Okay, y'all, these burners have not been working. Ugh, I can't stand the smell, so I'm gonna... Oh! That one suddenly started working. Woof, but that one doesn't. Oh my god, it smells. So, we're gonna try to fix it. So, there is the igniter right down there, that white thing. So we're gonna do 2 things. We are going to, first of all, find this little hole right there. I got a question. So I was wondering why he used an earring when you couldn't use something that maybe like bent a little bit, like a safety pin, which seems like the perfect choice, I think, because you can kind of bend it to, you know, kind of fold under. And that way you could poke it from the inside. You don't have to poke it from the outside. Also, I was thinking like those toothpick scrapers would be like perfect for the job, maybe even using that mirror thing. But I also, like, my main question is, why don't all stoves come with a special poker to poke that hole? Wouldn't that make so much sense? Like a fireplace, like you could hang it, like it could be a little poker with like a handle. There's a little hole, and we're gonna find it from the other side. And so that the safety pin goes through it. You gonna be able to go through it, baby? There we go. All right, I'm gonna like do that a couple times because I think it's a little gunky. Okay, come on, you can't even get in there again. Okay, all right, and then we're gonna like clean around this area. All right, let's see if it works. Oh my god! Y'all, heck yeah. All of my burners work now. Thank you, JMG Enterprises. Thank you. I don't know your first name. Not yet. Thanks to you, all of my burners work now. And no, I'm not talking about my friends who go to Burning Man. Not all of them work now. Thanks for watching. I enjoy it. I enjoy it.